Hi, hello, and welcome back to our channel, viewers. Hope you guys are having a great day. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Newrez Mortgage account. So I might pronounce the name a bit mistakenly, like Newrez or something like that. Just basically remember it's Newrez, alright? So with that said, so basically you just need to log in into your Newrez account and then apply for a loan if you guys want a mortgage. That's how it works. So let me show you guys how you guys can log in into your account. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video, and let's move on. So the first step is search for Newrez Mortgage login. And click on the second link over here, and once you're over here, click on versus login. And once you do that, it's gonna take you to its login page. And once you go to its login page, provide the information it asks you and log in into your account. And from there, apply for a mortgage. So that's how it works. Hope you guys understand, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye.